America. So let's bring them up right and give them our cheese. American cheese. Single. Put it right in their mouth. It's easy to know. Never oilized like other spices. A country is only as good as its cheese. Good thing ours doesn't have a bunch of holes in it. Kraft Singles. The American cheese.
Playtime will never be the same again, thanks to new Pampers Cruisers with Drymax. They're not just 20% thinner, they're also 2 times drier. It's next generation dryness. New Cruisers with Drymax, so playtime never ends. Only from Pampers.
You want it? We've got it! At H.H. Greg's Memorial Day sale. Everything is on sale, $99 and up. And even better, it's an employee family discount pricing. Save on every TV, every washer, dryer, refrigerator, computer, camera, and camcorder, even every mattress. And get no interest financing for 24 months. You want it? We've got it. Employee family discount pricing on everything. H.H. Gregg, price and advice guaranteed.
My car's totaled. I was in the hospital a lot.
Serious injuries? Call for Montlick & Associates.
Thought about getting an attorney, but I don't know an attorney.
Alright.
Montlick & Associates attorneys are available this holiday to take your call at 1-800-LAW-NEED.
At Aldi, we built our whole reputation on honest and good service. That means we price everything in the store as low as we possibly can, period. Milk, cereals, produce, pickles, all the stuff real families eat lots of. Other stores can save you money on some things some of the time. Aldi will save you money on everything, all the time. The simple truth is, you just can't feed your family better
Sugar.
less than you can at all. Honest to goodness savings. All natural,
Roscoe.